Right now, it is around like what 7 in the morning. I just took out the trash, walking back home. And today's video, since I'm probably gonna be around labs, so I'm probably gonna be at school. I don't know. I'm not gonna have my computer, so I'm just gonna be like trading, but then recording on my phone. So hopefully that's good. I don't know. I don't know how long I'm about to make the challenge videos. I don't know how long. I don't know. However long they are, they're just however long they are. But yeah, in a little bit I'm about to look at the charts. I haven't looked at it yet. In a little bit I'm about to look at the charts to see what our bias is for today, what our daily bias is, and yeah, just looking at what the daily bias is, so then I could have an insight on what my trades are gonna be looking like for today. And other than that, I'll let you guys know more when we get closer to market open. And yeah. All right, so we are at school right now, and right now I'm looking at the charts because I didn't have time to look at it when I was at home. We're looking at the charts right now. It's looking like Nasdaq might go for the Asia high and come back down, and then hit London low. So if it hits London low, there might be a small chance of it continuing and then going for New York PM low, just continue going for New York session lows. That's if it's like a really high close. But mostly we're looking bearish today, unless it makes new highs, goes past Asia high, makes new highs. But other than that, we're looking pretty bearish. We just have to see, but like you can never, like, I don't know, because of the war that's going on. But yeah, so we should be looking for shorts today. Yeah. As you can see what I was talking about, just so you can see. Right now we have London lows, we have New York PM lows, New York lows, New York AM lows. Now all of these lows that might come down on market open, might come down and knock out London lows like I was talking about. But before it might hit Asia highs and then hit a reversal. But we don't know yet because the market moves in unpredictable ways. So we'll probably just have to see what it does on market open and go from there, honestly. But 80% shorts, we're looking for shorts. Yeah. So just, yeah, looking for shorts today. 80% short. Yeah. Now I'm about to look on oil to see how oil is doing, because I might, whether depending on what oil is looking at, I might take a trade on oil to get some of the money I make back, so I don't have to make that much off at Nasdaq. That would be really nice, but that's only if I get like a pretty good setup on oil. But if I don't, then I'm gonna just stick to Nasdaq. Alright, so right now we're on oil and we're just looking at what oil's doing. And yesterday oil was down, it came all the way down and knocked out these lows. And then yeah, during yesterday it also came back up. And then now we're currently bullish on oil and we're bearish. No, we're bullish on oil. So that should mean we should be a little bearish. We should knock out those lows that I was talking about on Nasdaq. Whether Nasdaq comes up and knock out those highs depends on how we move. It's just that one high and goes straight down. Hopefully it's a reversal after it knocks out that high. Other than that, I'm 80% short. We're shorting today, so we'll just wait and see until market opens. Alright, so I was watching the charts, and right now Nasdaq just wiped out Asia highs, which is a very good for good confirmation that it's going to reverse. It just wiped it out. That's perfect. That's good for us for our shorts. As you can see, wiped it out. Wiped out. Might enter. I don't know before market opens. We'll see. This is like a high risk trade though. If I do enter, because I will keep on the top tick this and get a pretty good trade, sniper trade going. But we don't know how far it's going up or what's gonna affect it or how the war or anything that all plays anything. So that's why it's quite unpredictable. Or it might just go up and make crazy highs. I don't know. But we'll just wait and see. Alright, hey guys, so I'm making this because we did end up losing those accounts. It was really bummed out yesterday because it's whatever. So we did end up losing those accounts, but the way I lost those accounts was actually kind of crazy. I got up to go to the bathroom, and it made me enter shorts while it was reversing. Like, it was still my fault though, because I don't know how I clicked or entered. But that is still, I was still bummed out, and that was just crazy. But it's a good thing I had prior. I had 3 accounts. I passed two eval. I passed 2 of the evals. Those were the evals that was shown in the previous video. I passed both of them, and I still had 1 eval. So that 1 eval is what's keeping us in the challenge, and yeah, that 1 eval is what's keeping us in the challenge. So we're not out yet. That would have been crazy. We're not out yet. So we still have a couple days, a couple more days, like a couple weeks. We still got a couple weeks before the challenge is over, and we'll see how much we make. So we got Thursday and Friday. Right now it's currently Wednesday. The Wednesday video, coming out soon. I don't even know. I don't know. I don't know after this video, but the Wednesday video is coming out soon, and yeah. So after, if everything goes well, I'm gonna pass the account by on Friday, and then that's gonna leave me with the 1 week to get my payout. And after I get my payout, that's when I buy more accounts with the money I made off of trading, and to build that up so I could get more per payouts in total, actually. So so we can reach our target goal. So hopefully everything goes well, and no more accidental clicks, because that would be really bad. Just excited to bring you guys along with me. Alright, so I don't think I was very vivid with the rules on the first video, so that's why I'm gonna say it that's why I'm saying it now. First, you're max allowed accounts, starting off accounts, you're allowed with 3. You can only allow 3 accounts starting off unless you get a payout from one of these 3 accounts. And you could use it to buy more accounts. But if you lose all 3 of the accounts, you are out. And for the second rule, you're not allowed to use your money that you didn't make from one of these 3 accounts to buy more accounts. You can't do that. You can only use the money that you make from one of these 3 accounts to buy more accounts. So you get it. And for the third one is, you have to be legit. You have to post every win, losses, and everything. You can't just post all the wins and this and that. No, we got to see the raw journey, the raw trading and everything. That's what I'm gonna do. Whether I win or lose that day, I'm still posting it, and I'm still showing you guys what an insight of what actual trading looks like, and how challenging it actually is. So you just have to be truthful, and just generally just be truthful. That's literally it. So yeah, that's really all the rules are.